Thanksgiving is a very special day in the United States and Canada. It is a time when people feel thankful for the good things in their lives. Families and friends come together to eat, talk, and celebrate. Thanksgiving is one of the most loved holidays of the year. When is Thanksgiving? In the United States, Thanksgiving is on the fourth Thursday of November. This year, it is on November 28th. In Canada, Thanksgiving is earlier. It is on the second Monday of October. So, Thanksgiving is in the fall. The weather is cool, and the leaves on the trees are red, orange, and yellow. It is a beautiful time of the year. Where does Thanksgiving come from? Thanksgiving started a long time ago. In 1620, people from England came to America on a ship called the Mayflower. These people were called pilgrims. They wanted a new life where they could pray and live freely. But life was very hard for the pilgrims. They did not know how to grow food in the new land. Many pilgrims became sick and died. The Native Americans helped the pilgrims. They showed them how to grow corn, catch fish, and hunt for food. After the pilgrims had their first good harvest, a lot of food, they were very happy. In 1621, they had a big meal with the Native Americans to say, "Thank you for the help." This was the first Thanksgiving. What do people eat on Thanksgiving? Thanksgiving dinner is very famous. People eat a lot of delicious food. Here are some of the most common dishes. Turkey. The main dish is usually a big roasted turkey. Some people call it Thanksgiving turkey. Mashed potatoes. Soft and creamy potatoes with butter or gravy. Stuffing. Bread mixed with spices and cooked inside the turkey. Cranberry sauce. A sweet and tangy red sauce made from cranberries. Pumpkin pie. A sweet dessert made from pumpkins, eggs, and sugar. People eat until they are very full. After dinner, they often say, "I can't eat anymore." What do people do on Thanksgiving? Thanksgiving is a very busy and fun day. Here are some things people do. Cooking together. Families cook the Thanksgiving meal together. The house smells so good. Watching the parade. In New York City, there is a big Thanksgiving parade. People watch it on TV. There are big balloons, marching bands, and dancers. Watching football. Many people watch football games on Thanksgiving. Giving thanks. Before eating, people say, "I am thankful for," and share what makes them happy. Shopping. The day after Thanksgiving is called Black Friday. Many people go shopping because there are big sales. What do people wear? On Thanksgiving, people wear cozy clothes. Some wear sweaters and jeans. Others wear nice dresses or shirts. It depends on the family, but everyone wants to feel comfortable because they will eat a lot. Why is Thanksgiving important? Thanksgiving is important because it is a time to be thankful. People think about their family, friends, home, and health. It is also a time to share and help others. Many people donate food or money to help families in need. Thanksgiving today. Today, Thanksgiving is not just about history. It is about being together. Families laugh, talk, and make happy memories. It is a day full of love and kindness. Thanksgiving is a time to say, "Thank you for all the good things in life." What are you thankful for? Write your answer in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts.